In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Notion Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can organize teammates and streamline permissions in your workspace. Start by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. For this walkthrough, we'll use the Google option to sign in. Click Google, then select the Google account you want to use. Make sure you choose the account that's associated with the Notion Workspace where you plan to create the group. If you use multiple accounts, this helps you land in the right place immediately. Once you're in Notion, find the Workspace dropdown at the top left of the app window next to your current workspace name. Click that dropdown. This menu confirms which workspace you're viewing and gives you quick access to workspace level options. If you're part of more than one workspace, it's a good moment to double check you're in the correct one before you proceed. From that menu, click Settings. This opens your Settings and Administration panel. Along the left-hand side, you'll see categories that help you navigate. Look for the Workspace section and go there. Everything we need to manage people and structure lives inside this area, so it's the hub for the next few steps. Inside Workspace Settings, click People. This is where members, guests, and their roles are organized. At the top of this page or along its tabs, you'll see an option for Groups. Click Groups. Groups are useful because you can set page permissions once and apply them to everyone in that group instead of adjusting access for individuals one by one. Next, click Create a Group. Notion will prompt you to name the group. Type in your group name. A clear, consistent naming convention makes life easier later. Think names like Design, Marketing, or Project Alpha, Core Team. Choose something that reflects how you plan to manage access and collaboration. After you enter the name, your new group is created and ready to use. You can keep this panel open to manage it right away or come back later as your team grows. The key idea is that groups help you grant or restrict access quickly and consistently across pages and databases. That's it. Those are all the clicks you need to create a group in your Notion workspace. We started at Notion.com, logged in with Google, opened the Workspace dropdown, went into Settings, navigated to the Workspace section, selected People, switched to Groups, created a group, and named it. With your group in place, managing collaboration becomes much faster and more reliable.